Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to set up call forwarding on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on supplementary services. After click on supplementary services, you will see click on call forwarding, select voice call and video call, click on voice call, and you will see after loading you will see four different options is showing here. First option is always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, forward when unreachable. So you will see select from here, select forward when busy and enter your 8 delete, and you will see after set number you will see enter your number and click on enable. Go back to home screen. So that's how you can set up call forwarding on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.